Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Honor. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!